So we need to find the roots of the polynomial. So roots is another word for x-intercepts or 0. So I noticed first of all that this is not in standard form. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite it so my highest power is first and then it's moving in descending order. So since my highest power is a 3, since my degree is a 3, I'm going to have to factor this by grouping. So when I group them, I'm going to make the negative into the 6. So I'm going to group the first two and the last two. So I'm looking for my greatest common factor. So that would be x squared. So I'm left with 5x plus 2. On the second grouping, my greatest common factor would be negative 3. So that would leave me with 2x minus 5. So for this one, I believe there's a mistake on the problem. It should actually be 2x cubed plus 5x squared. So if you can go ahead and change that. So let's do this grouping again. So the order was correct, just the powers was wrong. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and factor out an x squared. So as we do that, we're going to have 2x plus 5. Now, since I factored out a negative 3, and I would distribute this back, negative 3 times positive 5 would give me my negative 15. So that's why it needs to be negative. So now we're going to factor these. So we're going to put that in the front. And then what are we left with? X squared minus 3. And that's equal to 0. We're going to use the zero product property, set them both equal to 0. So we're going to have 2x equals to negative 5. So x equals negative 5 half. And then x squared is equal to 3. So x is going to be plus or minus the square root of 3. So notice my answers are not there, so we're just going to cross those out. And these would be my answers.